Hello, today I have the CX750M Corsair unboxing. I'm replacing a power supply of a customer. It's computer dead. Problem is the power supply. Then he had a small 500 watt, and then I suggest the customer, what about you go up a little bit with a 750 like this. If in the future you want to upgrade something, you already have the power. Okay, let's see. It may be sealed somewhere, or I don't know how to open a box anymore. Here we go. Okay, what we have? Of course, power cable. This one for humidity. Some zip tie. Always nice to see some zip tie. Of course, we have the safety information, the things. This one it's semi-modular, which some cable for the power supply, no, sorry, for the motherboard and processor, they are already in. You can now remove them, and the other cable, they are modular. In the box there is anything else? Yeah, it wasn't really protect extremely well. The 1000 watt that I opened, there was some foam to protect. Here there wasn't, but there is this one. I think it's good enough. Okay, let's open up. There is not really much to. Let's see how it looks like, I guess. Here you go. This one. Here you have it. Pretty nice, 750. Here you have the connection, which we have SAT and PAT, PCI Express CP processor. And we have 1, 2, 3 PCI Express processor. 1, 2, 3 SATA or PATA. Here you have it. Let me show you to you. There you go. Enough for what the person has. He still has, this is the graphic card he has. Okay, which it's I don't even know what graphic card it is. This one, there is anywhere. It's a GTX, but we know it's a GTX. It's not RTX. Then it may be a 16 something. Then more than enough for it's a Jesus here. More than enough. One connector only. What is it? It's a 8-pin connector. This is the motherboard. Now what happened? This is the motherboard. I need to see the processor, what it has. What happened practically, the power supply, the computer stopped working. And they brought me, this is the case. Everything practically is missing from the case. I mean, it's a disaster, this case. Look at this. Sorry, let me show you the front. Look at that. That's how the case is. That's how the guy who's the case, because the front is missing, he stopped working. I test everything, the power supply went. Then I told the customer, do you want me to get you a new case? Because, I wouldn't use this one. It's kind of, And they say yes, and that's why we went with this one, with the Zalman i3 Neo. Which is a very nice case. I have an unboxing on my channel. Check that one out. They have two versions, white and black. It comes with 4 RGB fans. Light cannot be changed. It cannot. You're gonna be stuck with the rainbow. But it's a nice case. Then we are gonna put that, and that on that. on the new case. Yes, then I'm gonna assemble everything. Of course, I'm gonna replace the thermal compound of the processor, and I'm gonna replace the thermal compound of the graphic card because it thinks that card it's woohoo. Look at that. I believe it must be replaced. Then I'm gonna go an extra mile for my customer. I'm not gonna charge more. I already gave you a quote. I gave them a quote, which is very cheap. But I'm gonna also replace the thermal paste because I'm already there, and why not? It's gonna give the graphic card a new life. Okay. But thank you for watching for this video. That was only the unboxing for the power supply. Check out the other video, which I'm gonna do the assembling. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.